Perfect.
dispatcher with somebody teaching you or just jumping into it as a dispatcher? Because it's so easy just to post the truck and make phone call.
Yeah, nobody taught me. I joined a company who was from Colorado, but they had a pretty good office here in Chicago. They're well known in the community, I think.
Well, is it Kafka's Express?
It
Colorado
is
is a.
Kafka's Express.
Okay, so look at this. I can even guess who you started with. Okay, so you started with Kafka's Express. Okay, so did not get training, but you've been in USA, so English is not a problem for you. Why? Why dispatcher? What did you do before this?
I just had a easygoing job. I did pharmaceuticals for 12 years working in the hospital.
So you were a salesperson?
Yeah, pharma sales.
Okay, pharma sales. So communication skills were there. Not being afraid to talk to people is already there, right? Multitasking, reading the personalities is